Hello, my name is Benito Anaya Jr., and this is my good/bad examples of legibility and readability presentation. Alright, example 1 of good/bad legibility and readability is the one I provided. The reason I say it's bad slash good is because right here you can see where like it's fully clear because of the dark blue and the light, which is the text and everything is white, so it's you could see it because it's light. But if like for the second one is like you could kind of see it but not really, so you can't, it's hard to visualize unless like you're up close. But if you're like far away, you can't really see it because of the, I guess, the contrast of the blue is like very low. And for the third one, I don't know if you could see it, but it's very, very white to the point where like you can't even see the text at all. Like even if you look up, like close up, because there's like no there's no like the contrast is very, very like low, so that's why it's hard to see the text. And what makes it even more harder is because of the white, since the text is white and there's no dark, like there's no blue, it just looks like it's white as well. You can't really see anything because like it looks like it's white on white, but it's supposed to be like white on blue, like the first one right here. And example 2 of the good/bad legibility and readability is the one I provided. The reason I chose this one was because right here on the left, it's the text is like a purplish with the orange, so like it's kind of hard to like visualize and see. But on the right, the yellow with the black, it's easy because yellow is not really like a dark color, like it's more like a light type color, and the words are black, so it makes the word stand out more than the color itself since it's black. And right here, there's not really black, just purple, and purple and orange don't really look right, so that's why like I put it in, because it's kind of hard to see. So yeah. And the example 3 of the good/bad legibility and readability is the one I provided. So right here it's like a yellowish kind of color, and it's like a black, like the fox color is black. And then on the right it's like it's black, but on the right it's like a dark yellow, so it makes the text color look a little off. So for some people, I don't think they could like understand or might have trouble reading it or understanding it. But yeah, that's the reason I put that one in. So this is a good legibility and readability example, and this is a bad one. So yeah. All right, thank you for listening. And this is my presentation.